Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deposit money to your InstaForex account. And for this, we need to verify our account. I already did it. I don't know why it's not updated, but I already verified my account. So right now we go to accounts and then click on accounts overview. If you don't have an account, click here on open live account where you can create your own account. And after that, you will see exactly this. Then from here, we click now on deposit. And then we select our trading account and then do deposit from, select the way how you want to pay. Now I like ideal, that's fine. And now we do continue. Then we click right here on deposit amount. So let's say we want 100. Then he automatically changed this. And now we do continue. Then from now we do continue again. And now he will open ideal right here, and now we can start paying. So do the following steps to pay with Rapid or with Skrill, and then after that you can pay the amount that you need, and after that you can start trading. So this is the way how you can deposit money to your InstaForex account. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.